Go.
Okay, well I got the Modern Way by the Kaiser Chiefs, which is based on World War One, and they depicted it as someone being sad and upset there. But I've depicted it as seeing it's a modern way. I'm going to do it as a futuristic style, how like we can be so corrupted with the electronics we've got. So what's going to happen is you're going to start off with just seeing like a spaceship come past the screen. It's going to zoom into someone's eye. Then you're going to see a picture of someone stood on a hill looking down at this futuristic city with pipes. This is all going to be stop motion, so it's all going to be hand drawn out. Then it's going to start. You're going to zoom into one of the spacecraft, and it's going to go as it zooms in. It's then going to be faded over with its instruments and all like what it tells users to say what altitude it's at and what it's doing. And all them are going to start to drop, and all the red alerts are going to come on. One of them's going to explode. Then the other one is going to start to come down slowly, and it's going to hit the ground. A big nuke's going to go off, type thing. So it's going to get exploded. Then it's going to go back to the man's eye, and you're going to see what's just happened through the man's eye, but in reverse, it's going to be dragged backwards.
And this tells us what?
This tells us that basically because there is.
See if you got it.
Star Wars movie.
No, it's fascinating. What does it tell us?
Because the way they've.
It's a lightsaber.
Come on, keep going.
What I'm trying to do is basically the way it can be thought of in different ways, but the way that they've done it is the only way you can do it is on depression. It's already been done on depression. So I interpret it as seeing it's the modern way, it's the future of it, and how things are going wrong in the future.
Right.
Are you drawing this?
Yeah.
All of it?
Yeah.
How long is it?
Yeah. What? It's about 4 minutes and 10 or something like that.
Are you gonna have at least like
Burning around.
But what am I doing?
Sure. Sorry.
The way,
Question. How's he going to do it? Yeah. Go on.
the way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna have the spaceship, which I've already got one of done out. It's on the computer, one of them already drawn out. I have the other one, and they're not going to be not each bit's going to be hand drawn like literally. It's going to be picture,
A cutout.
a cut out type thing, but it's had a picture took of it. It's going to be put into Photoshop, and it's going to be moved on the actual Photoshop. So I'm gonna have lots and lots of layers repeating each other.
I thought you were going to draw each separate thing out.
Frame.
Well, I've drawn each one, but I'm not drawing each frame hand by hand. That seems hassle to me.
That's my fault.
You're cutting all the objects out and moving
Yeah.
them. Yeah.
So I'm having
So it's like a cross between like drawing animation and
Cutouts.
model animation.
Yeah, in a way, yeah.
Yeah.
You're gonna have like loads of like little slides in Premiere though. Like,
Well,
Yeah.
yeah. You can do it in Photoshop though, aren't you? Move
Yeah,
it.
it's the start of it. The main bit's going to be done in Photoshop, all the actual editing bit. And then when I go into Premiere, it's all just going to be thrown together, slide after slide. With a...
Still a lot of work though.
Yeah, but I'm on it.
Okay, so the basic idea is that the technology of the modern way is going to lead us to doom.
Yeah,
Everything's going to get nuked and blown up.
yeah.
Okay, sounds like war.
And then the idea is it coming back to you, no, it's back to the man. And the idea is then it goes back to the man that pointing out that you're the only one that can stop it.
Oh,
That's
right.
why it goes back to, you see it again all in reverse through his eyes, in a reflection of his eye.
And does he symbolise all of us?
Yeah, he symbolises you.
We
and that's
could
why,
stop it if
That's
we
why you
wanted.
see his point of view at one point of it.
Right. So we could stop it if we wanted. Got it. Okay. Production schedule. Sorry, did you show us that? No?
It needs a lot of work. It's really horrible.
It does need some work, doesn't it? Are they're just weeks.
They're
aren't
just
they?
weeks.
All right, you've got to put more time
Yeah,
into that.
I know.
Point, yeah. Guys, where are you going? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. We've got the idea, but you need to work more
Yeah, I
on
know.
structure, yeah, and on your production schedule.
I've been trying to figure out the bits how to fill it in.
All right. Okay. Well, I'll give you as much help as I can with that. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you.